chicken tortilla wrap. Chicken ½ kilogram. Soy sauce ½ tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 spoon. Salt ½ spoon. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon. Mix it well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Dynamite sauce. Tomato ketchup ½ cup. Chili garlic sauce 3 spoon. Mayonnaise ½ cup. Honey 1 tablespoon. Vinegar circa 1 spoon. Mix it well. Dynamite sauce is ready. Oil 3 spoon. Carrots ½ cup in julienne cut. Stir fry. Capsicum ½ cup. Cabbage ½ cup. Add salt ½ teaspoon. Black pepper 1/8 teaspoon. Mix it well. Stir fry for 2 or 3 minutes. Corn flour ½ cup. Flour maida ½ cup. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon. Salt 1/8 teaspoon. Oregano 1 spoon. White pepper ½ tablespoon. Chicken powder to spoon. Mix it. Add water and make batter. Mix it and prepare smooth batter. Dip chicken strips in batter and coat. Fry in preheat oil. Flip the other side. Chicken is ready. Add dynamite sauce in chicken strips. Coat Fold it properly. Tortilla wrap. Spread dynamite sauce. Our yummy dynamite chicken tortilla wrap ready to eat. Try must and share your experience. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.